Okay, guys, this one time, it was today, literally today. I just must say this one time. Someone was parking outside my house now. Normal car. When I asked Brian, is he here yet? And he was like, yeah, I'm here. When I look outside, I didn't see his car. He normally has this. That's what he normally has, right? And then suddenly, out of it's a nice bird. I might and give me one of that. Suddenly, I see like 4 cars parking there outside, and another car with the other car is a cool car, and I like a sports car, like this. I was so shocked. No, I was so shocked. Like somebody just walked out of my car, out of the house, right by the house. I called him. My small thing in my jiggy, I put in my, I can hold like this. I can put it like here so I can hear. It's almost like it's assassin stuff, but I'm not an assassin. No, when I was calling him now because my phone was dead, my camera's here. Then suddenly out of nowhere, he just climbs out of the car. But he just climbed out of the car like it was nothing. He was just standing there, waiting for me. 3, 4 people semaphore. 3 people was in that car. Nah, it was him, it was Brian, his girlfriend, and someone else. I don't really know who that is. I don't know. But suddenly, he just climbed out of the car and he called me. I was like, yes, you there? Then he was like, I'm standing outside. And when I went outside, I saw the car. He was like, this is not your car, bruh. This is not your car. He shows me the keys. Yeah, I don't have the keys on me now. Imagine there's the keys now. He shows me the keys. I faint. They set me up on the couch. The next day I woke up. It was school, bruh. School. Yeah, school is not liquor. You must work and work and work and work. Then you know you can just print your stuff on a piece of paper. If they say you're still dumb, then you just tell them their mom is dumb. I love you guys.